So good day to everyone. My name is Tamsimi. I'm from Faculty of Art and Design, Southern University College student. I would like to present my conceptual papers. The title is about artificial intelligence generated visual pedagogy to student emotional engagement in education system. So let us move to first part is about the introduction. So let me start with my why this title is so important. So nowadays we know it, AI is no longer just automatic admin works in university. It is also actively to reshaping how we teach. So at the same time, we know that one size fits all teaching does work for the diverse learners in learning process. So, and here is the key point. Engagement is not just about cognitive. So we know it, how students feel about their learning method just much as what their understanding is more important in the nowadays. So visual plays a important role here, which you can is about the layout, shapes, colors, typography, or other else we use in learning material can directly to evolve or to shape the learner's emotional states. It's not just about to deliver the information in the classroom. So that is my research gap. So that is the problem what I want to try to address it. So most of the existing researchers about the AI in the education majority is focused on the cognitive or technical benefits, such as how we use the AI to improve our task scope, how to save the time in learning or teaching. But most nobody do have to look the emotional side. So can AI can we use the AI generated visual be intentionality designed to make the student feel engaged? So that is my gap from this conceptual paper. So I try to connect to the few areas. One is the how AI do generate visual pedagogy. And then I also look at the visual learning is one, visual learning and the emotional engagement in my conceptual paper. So let us move to the next one. Is about the literature review. So I have the four parts. So first part is about artificial intelligence in higher education. So we know that AI rules in education system have developed rapidly in nowadays. So it started as a tool for automatic tasks, empowering tutorial system. But generative AI can be create the original image, text, and multimedia content for rivals human creativity. So this meaning teacher can produce to customize learning material more quickly without any design skill. So that means AI is shifting from being an efficiently tool to being a genius pedagogy partners. So the next one is about the emotional in learning. So we know it. Student engagement actually have a three part. One is the behavior, that means student participate in learning. The second one is cognitive. How student mentally involved, invested. And the last one is emotional. Do students feel interest, enjoyment, curiosity? So for my conceptual paper, I am focused on emotional engagement because that majority research shows positive emotional like enjoy, like interest, happy is that means directly enhance both cognitive and emotional engagement. So basically, when the student feel good, feel enjoy, feel happy, is a in the learning process. That means they learn more patterns. So the next one is about visual learning as a fun foundation for the emotional engagement. Okay, now we'll talk about the visuals. Okay, so visual, why I want to focus on visual learning? Okay, because the visual learning is meanings, first thing meanings use the image, diagram or other visual techniques like layout, shape, color and so on to communicate the ideas rather than just using the text only. So this can explain well why theory called the cognitive affective theory of learning with materials is tell us learning is shaped by cognitive and emotional process together. It's the thing like cognitive load and motivation in the so visuals not just understanding tool. It also can as a emotional one. So that means that student not just to read the text, they will go through the visual one. So in the learning process, student can be more enjoy, more relaxed, just rather than just read the text. So the last one is about the AI generated visual in higher education. So generative AI can produce the original visual content. That capability extends into what we call AI generate visuals. That means dynamics, context specific, image, tailored to lessons, and there's a visual can directly to support instructional design. That means to adapt things to student need in ways they were not practical before because create a custom visual to use to request the real design experts. So the last one is about my conclusion. So from here, okay, to wrap up, for the educator is the takeaway is to stop thinking about generative AI as a just content creation shortcut, and also and start using it to build an emotional responsive learning environment. For the research, these papers like groundwork for future empire studies. So actually, we can test how AI visual design affect engagement, motivation, and outcome across different subjects and the context. So that is my presentation. So thank you for your listening.